In response to global sustainability trends, strict monitoring of air quality and emissions in industrial environments is now an essential objective. FineTek's energy-saving dust concentration detector and collector can instantly monitor the changing concentration of dust in various pipes and flues. It is easy to install and structurally solid, using powerful monitoring technology. The product has won the Taiwan Excellence Award for quality assurance. It is a key component in many industries and an indispensable helper towards sustainability. The energy-saving dust concentration detector and collector uses the latest electrostatic friction induction measurement technology. When dust touches, impacts, or rubs against the probe generates charges, which are amplified, analyzed, and processed through the sensing circuit, making it more efficient, with high resolution and sensitivity. It is the only detector in Taiwan that meets the EU CEMS regulations for fixed emission sources. It can monitor 0.350 micron meter industrial dust particles and can be used in 250 degrees Celsius high-temperature environments. It is widely used in detection and analysis of high-temperature combustion reactions in highly polluting heavy industries, replacing traditional optical methods and reducing industrial safety risks. It effectively reduces cleaning and maintenance frequency and cost by 6 times. Additional features include 4 to 20 ampere output and Modbus output, supports wireless transmission and uploading to cloud, provides automatic alarm function, and real-time personnel dispatch processing. Suitable dust materials include ash, grain, sugar, coal, cosmetics, dyes, ceramics, textiles, wood, and paper. Widely used in various industrial purposes: steelmaking, power generation, petroleum, chemical industry, medicine, feed, building materials processing, mining, cement manufacturing, and packaging industries. Typical uses include filter bag damage detection, powder material recovery, total product monitoring, and smoke and dust emission concentration monitoring for boilers of various sizes and fuels. FineTek actively invests in ESG sustainability management. The company owns Asia's first large-scale flue gas simulation test laboratory with TAF testing laboratory accreditation, and is ISO 17025 compliant to ensure product quality and accuracy. FineTek's excellence will aid you in sustainability development, bringing in a better future.
The key to start sensing the world. FineTek.